According to India Today's magazine, published on 6th July 2020, AIIMS Delhi ranks first and AFMC Pune ranks third among all medical colleges in India. Before year 2020, there was a separate entrance exam for AIIMS conducted by AIIMS. But from year 2020, the entrance exam for AIIMS has been merged with NEET UG. Before year 2013, there was a separate entrance exam for AFMC conducted by AFMC. But from year 2013, the entrance exam for AFMC has been merged with NEET UG. Both AIIMS as well as AFMC Pune has a national level of selection. There is no state quota in either of these medical colleges. Selection in AIIMS Delhi is on the basis of NEET merit list, whereas selection in AFMC Pune is on the basis of AFMC final merit list. I have already made a complete playlist of 8 videos on AFMC selection. The links are given in description. Out of total 107 seats in AIIMS New Delhi, 51 seats are reserved for general candidates, 27 seats are reserved for OBC candidates, 15 seats are reserved for SC candidates, 7 seats are reserved for ST candidates, 5% seats are reserved for person with disability, and 7 seats are reserved for foreign nationals. Out of total 150 seats in AFMC Pune, 115 seats are reserved for male candidates, 30 seats are reserved for female candidates, and 5 seats are reserved for foreign nationals. Out of 145 seats, 10 seats are reserved for ST-SC candidates. But unlike AIIMS New Delhi, the cutoff marks for both ST-SC as well as general candidates is same. The campus area of AIIMS New Delhi is 115 acres. The campus area of AFMC Pune is 119 acres. Fees for entire MBBS course in AIIMS New Delhi is about Rs 5,000. Fees for entire MBBS course in AFMC Pune is less than Rs 50,000. But the overall fees in AFMC Pune is much less than that in AIIMS New Delhi. I will describe it later in this video. There is no fitness criteria for getting selection in AIIMS New Delhi. Even candidates who are physically disabled can join for MBBS course based upon their merit in NEET as well as by PWD quota. The fitness of medical cadets is utmost priority of AFMC, as they have to serve the nation by joining as medical officers in Indian Armed Forces. So there is a fitness criteria for getting selection in AFMC Pune. Click on the I button to know more about AFMC fitness criteria. There is no compulsory uniform in AIIMS New Delhi, so students can wear whatever they like. All medical cadets have to wear college uniform while attending classes, clinics or a seminar, and not being in a proper uniform can be a cause of disciplinary action against the cadet. AIIMS Delhi has 3 badminton courts, 1 tennis court, a 50-meter swimming pool, a basketball court, 1 hockey ground, 1 football ground, 1 cricket ground, 1 volleyball court and 1 squash court. AFMC Pune has 2 badminton courts, 1 tennis court, a 25-meter swimming pool, 1 basketball court, 2 hockey grounds, 1 parade ground, 1 football ground, 1 cricket ground, 2 volleyball courts, 1 squash court, a 6-lane synthetic athletics track of 400 meters, and a 2-kilometer jogging track in adjoining race course. Every hostel has its own mess, except hostel number 3 and hostel number 6. It is totally up to students which mess they want to join. It is not necessary that they must join the mess of the hostel in which they are living. Every day mess menu is different and students can take as much quantity of food as they want. Students can have their food in their rooms as well as they can eat in mess. The mess bill is Rs 2400 per month. There is one large mess named CCM or Central Cadet Mess. Every day mess menu is different. The food provided in AFMC mess is best out of all medical colleges in India. High quality food is provided in mess and its taste and quality is monitored every day by a medical officer. Cadets can take as much quantity of food as they want. The food provided is free of cost, but an initial non-refundable amount of Rs 2000 will be charged at the time of admission. So you can conclude that AFMC cadets have an advantage of Rs 2400 per month, that is Rs 28,800 per year over AIIMS MBBS students. AIIMS Delhi is one of those medical colleges in India which provide single-seater rooms to each of its MBBS students. The hostel is provided with free electricity and water. Also, each room is provided with a bed, a study table, a chair, a bookshelf, an almirah, a ceiling fan and a tube light. The students can customize their room as they want and can even install their own air conditioner. The hostel has TV rooms, reading rooms and other facilities. The hostel accommodation is not compulsory. For initial 1 year, the cadets have to live in double-seater rooms. After 1 year, they are accommodated in single-seater rooms. In their last year, the cadets are accommodated in single-seater rooms of New Boys Hostel, that is NBH, which has an additional balcony and rooms are much more spacious. The hostel is provided with free electricity and water. Also, each room is provided with a bed, a chair, a table, a shoe rack, a mirror, an almirah, a bookshelf, a curtain, a mattress, a bed sheet, a pillow with cover, a blanket, a bucket with mug, a ceiling fan, a tube light, etc. Unfortunately, cadets cannot install AC in their rooms, but they can have a desert cooler. The hostel is also provided with TV rooms and air-conditioned reading rooms. The boys' hostel has an additional facility of saloon. The accommodation is compulsory for all cadets during their entire training period. Biometric machines are installed in whole campus to ensure the presence of every cadet in campus. Both AIMS New Delhi as well as AFMC Pune has guest room facility for relatives of students. The guest room charge is very reasonable and is provided with all facilities including air conditioner. The food will be provided from mess at a very reasonable price. Both medical colleges have free Wi-Fi facility provided to students in hostel area as well as in library. In both medical colleges, the average Wi-Fi internet speed is of 50 Mbps.